eye has seen, no ear has heard, and no mind has imagined what God has prepared for those who love Him. Have you ever been in a situation na ang dami mong pangarap but felt like ang hirap-hirap at parang imposible namang matupad? Have you ever been in a situation na sa dami ng failures at hirap na pinagdaanan mo, nawalan ka ng tiwala sa sarili mo at naisip mong siguro hanggang dito na lang talaga ako? These are just few of the things I've been through. And one thing na natutunan ko, never give up. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang. God's plan for us was so big and beautiful that no one can decipher. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, and no mind could have imagined what God has in store for us. At hindi ka makakarating dyan kung along the way, give up ka na. Minsan lang tayo mabuhay sa mundo. Kaya make sure na ang iiwanan mong kwento will leave an impact and inspiration sa buhay ng maraming tao. Kung nakaya ko, kayang-kaya mo din. I believe in you. I am Encar Marquez, the fastest millionaire and the fastest diamond of I Am Worldwide. I am an agent of hope, and I am